Welcome to another Double Dogs. We are currently at Waverly Hills Sanatorium. We're back. This is the second time we've been back at Waverly Hills. It's a rainy night. It's kind of warm, which is maybe even more spooky because it's the middle of November, actually the end of November. And I'm here with Seth Jackson.
What's up, guys?
And Elvis. We're going to start things off right in the armpit of Waverly. We're gonna go to the body chute. This is where we got a lot of activity last time. Something was thrown at me. Oh! So last time, I should mention, my eye was completely messed up, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to come back, was to get to experience it with two eyes. Because I feel like I got to see only half of what was going on here. So we're excited. It's spooky because it's only two of us in this massive place. It's also raining, which also adds to the level of spookiness as we go down the creepiest part of this entire building, the body chute. What was that?
What was that?
We're the Haunt Hounds. Super friendly. We're back. Does this make it creepier? That it's like there's the sound of grinding metal down in this body chute?
It could be the rain, but I will say the last time we came here, it was very, very, very quiet.
It was very quiet, but now it's like...
Could be the rain.
But you can hear it's like the metal or the pipes.
Yeah.
We have to investigate it. But just know, a lot of water noise. Well, we're gonna set up some equipment.
The echo is just so odd.
It's weird, right? It's like it makes you think you hear something on the tail end of that.
Yeah.
We're gonna set up some equipment. All right, here we go. Set some stuff up and turn on this Ovulus.
Celebration. Great.
When we came here last time, we only had 0 subscribers. Now we're close to 7,000. There's 7,000 hounds strong now. If there's anybody here, I put some devices on the stairs and on the chute side. I also have this little device that spits out words. A lot of the times it's complete nonsense. What the freak? Yeah, that's weird, right? That's kind of weird. Lynn, are we talking to you? Can you give us a sign that was you saying hey?
I know it's water, but it's still...
It sounds like somebody's like banging stuff down there. He said, hey. Energy industry. We are in the energy industry. The paranormal energy industry, okay? Yes. Can you tell us if you're still here? Can you give me a sign? Give me a noise? Traverse. Reap. Traverse reap. I don't know what that means. I don't know if I fully understand what you're trying to say. Can you tell me something else? Did you pass away here?
Complete.
Complete. Grave.
Really?
You just said grave. That's kind of coherent.
Yeah.
Lynn, are you still there? Law.
Calcium. Afraid.
Afraid.
Calcium.
Calcium. We're all afraid of calcium. Can make your bones too strong. Ormreus? Ormreus? What is that? What is that word?
I don't know.
Ormreus. Try to look it up if I can. Orrimus. I don't know how do you pronounce this word? Well, it's Latin. So it's Latin for let's pray. Let us pray. Are there 13 of you here?
Presidents.
13 baby presidents? Oh my. 13 baby presidents are here! In all seriousness, I don't know if you're joking with me or not. Quick. Oh my. 13 quick baby presidents are down in this tunnel? Unlock. It is dumping rain, dude.
It's just getting louder.
It is absolutely downpouring. I'm sure you guys can hear that, but like, the only thing that we can really test is like maybe rim pods. I mean, any of this is gonna be trash. Might not even record.
Noise.
This noise? What noise? That's weird.
Talking about the rain?
Said this noise. Oh, maybe. Maybe, maybe, dude. That's strange, right? It says this noise.
Did you hear something?
I thought I did.
Okay, I did.
I thought I hit like a little kid, right?
I heard like a talking or something.
Yeah.
Some singing? I don't know what that was. Yeah, there it is again. Did you hear that?
Yes. Hold on, let me just film it down there. So I feel like we're hearing something down there, but maybe it's our ears playing tricks on us. Maybe it's the water pinging and it's sounding like a conversation at the back end of the pings, but it feels buried. It feels like it's something buried in there, or it's just our ears absolutely playing tricks on us. I can't have my ears playing tricks on me like I'm hearing voices in the shackling pipes. All right, I'm coming to get my REM pod. Did that just go off?
Yeah, that's weird.
That just went off, dude.
Yeah.
Right when I walked down to get it. Let me just make sure, just recreate that. Oh my God, that just went off.
Hey, that's good.
That just went off. Just so you guys know, so I walked down. That went off. Thanks. I'm gonna consider that as a hello. Can you do that one more time? Okay. I'm gonna take that as a hello. Hello back. Well, here at Waverly, it's kind of stopped raining a little bit. Let's go check out the rest of the place. See if we can find anything. run some experiments. We'll see. Here we go. Weird. So we actually have not been back in this little section. So I think this goes. We've never been back in this area. Yeah. What the heck? This is trippy, dude. I haven't been back here. Oh, there's another way. Okay, dude. Hey. So me and Brett were over here last time. Me and Brett were over here, and we heard a noise on the other side of this door. We didn't know what it was. And turns out this is where they have their haunted house. But look at this. This is what was blocked off last time. None of this was open last time. You want to set up some stuff here?
What is this back here? There's another room over here.
Is this unlocked? Like, what is...
Oh, we can go in there.
Honestly, these kind of photos absolutely terrify me.
Yeah, they freak me out.
It's House on Haunted Hill stuff. You ever see House on Haunted Hill? With the surgeons? The guy walks in, sees the surgeon, they all look. Let's set up some stuff in here. Old ovulus. Where? It's not ominous at all. Where's your apostrophe? I don't know if there's anybody in this part of the building, but my name's Olin. This is Seth.
Hello.
Part of a group called Hot. It just said hey.
Yeah, I just.
It just said hey. Hey, that's awesome. What's your name? Oh my God, Heart Communicate. What's your name? Who are we talking to? What's your name? Can you tell us your name? My name's Olin. This is Seth, and you are? I got the eye thing again. It's weird. You know what's weird though?
Back with clear.
It said, yeah, back with a clear eye, dude.
Yeah.
Is that weird?
That is weird.
It said clear eye. I'm not even freaking joking. Maybe I'm reading too much into that.
I mean,
Clear eye.
there's a lot of gibberish in between, so I never know like if anything means.
It is strange that the last year I came here, I did get eye on the ovulus, okay? But my eye was messed up the entire time and it said clear eye. That's kind of strange. I mean, it could mean nothing, but it's just funny, you know? It's kind of weirdly ironic. What's your name? Lynn. It said Lynn again. And Traverse.
Oh, weird.
Lynn. That's a unique name. That's the first time we've ever gotten Lynn, and we've gotten it twice. Is your name Lynn? Is your name Lynn? Hi, Lynn. Can you touch this box? Lynn. I'm seeing like a red one.
Ghosts.
That's gunfire.
Is that gunfire?
That's gunfire.
Is that a knock or is that gunfire? Let me call her.
Presence.
Okay, just double checking. All right. Okay, just double checking. All right, thanks. All right, bye. It's either gunfire, which is strange, right? It's kind of late at night. What the heck's happening? It's a very repetitive, it's the same sound. Now I bet if we even overlap that audio file, it would be the same exact sound, which would be hard for a human to replicate, maybe, but it also sounded like knocking on something metal, which we're not that far away from the body box.
Yeah.
And that thing is all metal. But I don't know. It sounded like it was like on the, like a metal freaking door, like, you know?
Yeah.
It sounded like it was something like that.
I want to listen back to it.
Oh man, that's so strange. All right, we'll keep going. Here's the thing. Sometimes I see people peeping up here. I don't see anybody. It's light. All right. I mean, it could have been gunfire. Because there's no windows here, so that thing could have traveled pretty fast. So this, if you guys remember, we'll play the clip. We had a music box shooting down this hallway and it was going off. This is our first music box hit ever. What the heck? It's just standing there. It's just standing there. And we still don't really know what was happening. So we're gonna recreate this experiment. And I think if it doesn't go off, this is the same music box. If it doesn't go off, I don't know how to explain that. Okay. Not a dang thing. Yeah, it's very peaceful here, strangely. I don't really know why, or I'm glad. Very glad that it's peaceful. So we are back in the body chute to put some statics in here. We're gonna leave it rolling for as long as these batteries last. We're also gonna put up some REM pods and the dead bell. I think that'd be really creepy. One of those things went off when there's nothing down here, okay? Goes down for like 500 yards. Yards? Feet? Feet. 500 feet. Go down a little further. Okay. Just a scotch more. Well, you know, if it's gonna get somebody, it's gotta be you. Zero dark spooky.
I mean, I can't see anything. Oh shit, sorry. I can't see anything. It's just pitch black darkness, and all I can think about is like where I'm sitting is where dead bodies were just sliding down the chute, you know?
The shot is pretty spooky of you. Is there anybody here? Is there anybody in the body chute? Can you take me higher to a place where blind men see? Can you take me higher? Can you go down there and say hey to Seth?
Hey, come on down here. Come hang out.
Everybody go down there and give Seth a big old hug. He was telling me on the drive up here, he's been waiting for a big hug from somebody in the body chute. He wants a big hug. Go down there and give that guy a big hug. Seth wants a hug.
Hey, maybe just a tiny one.
Get down there and give Seth a big old hug from me. Can you walk down there and give Seth a hug?
Run up there as fast as you possibly.
Just get down there and give Seth a big hug. Go ahead, Get down there and Seth, down. Get down.
He wants to go over there and stay up with you.
I think it said to me that it's got to get down there. It likes your hoodie.
No, if it wanted to be down
It wants your hoodie. Oh, Seth, I forgot my phone. Can you go get it?
yeah, tomorrow.
You're going inside the old body box?
Somebody has to. Hey, someone's got to do the dirty work.
Somebody's got to clock in. Somebody's got to clock in and then clock back out. And clock back in.
Let's see how this works.
All right. Sense. You know what it looks like? It looks like if you were to flip this video on its side,
Yeah.
it looks like you're trying to come out of a chimney.
Get me out of here.
He's stuck.
Help.
Help him. Get him out. Look at the camera. Say I'm stuck.
Get me out of here.
How did you get stuck up there, Jimbo?
I'm floating on the inside, actually. Look.
Oh my God. What? How'd you get stuck in the old chimney?
Well, I'll tell you. Let me just tell you a story. 40 years ago, I found myself wandering through the forest.
Wait. 40 years ago? How far are you starting the story?
When I was a boy, my father used to tie my shoes together and throw them down a hill, a rocky hill, and he'd say, son, if you want your shoes back, you're going to have to fight me like a man. Needless to say, he whooped my tail so hard, I've refused to wear shoes for the last 70 years. That's how I found myself here.
How'd you get in the chimney?
I brought a stick of butter and I meant to shimmy my way all the way down, but I got hungry on the way in, so I ate it. Now I'm here.
This happens. Happened the evening. The first time, I didn't think we got anything. I don't know what's on those statics, but that's just sometimes how the cookie crumbles. Sometimes places are just quiet. And rather than try to force it, we're just going to kind of roll with the flow and just be content by getting to just try to find stuff in a really cool building. So.